If pandas have one bamboo, bamboo rare, bamboo valuable. But if pandas grow more bamboo, bamboo become common, bamboo not as valuable. Demand pull inflation. If pandas demand more bamboo, but bamboo farmer makes same amount, bamboo price go up because bamboo more rare. Cost push inflation. If bamboo demand is the same, but bamboo farmer have less bamboo to sell, bamboo price go up because bamboo become more rare. Production cost inflation. Panda buys bamboo. Panda eat bamboo. Life is good. Panda tell panda friends about bamboo store. Pandas buy all the bamboo. Bamboo farmer has to plant more bamboo tree. But bamboo seed become more expensive. So bamboo farmer raise price of bamboo to cover cost. Monetary inflation. If bamboo demand is the same and bamboo supply is the same, but pandas have more leaves than usual to buy bamboo, bamboo price go up because now leaves are not worth as much as before. Hyperinflation. Price of bamboo goes up. So panda government decides to create more leaves so pandas can afford bamboo. So pandas buy more bamboo. But bamboo price goes up to keep up with bamboo demand. So panda government creates more leaves. But price of bamboo goes up to keep up with more demand. So panda government creates more leaves. Price of bamboo goes up. So panda government creates more leaves. This is getting ridiculous. Eventually panda government burns all the leaves and starts making sticks. It's new currency. Inflation is not necessarily bad for panda. If panda's amount of leaves goes up at the same rate as price of bamboo, panda happy. If panda's amount of leaves goes up, but bamboo price stays the same, panda rich as fought. If panda leaves stay the same, but bamboo price go up, panda poor. Panda sad. Panda is all of us. To avoid inflation, panda should invest bamboo. This will grow more bamboo with time. Sometimes inflation can get really bamboo. Please subscribe. Oh,